Hello and welcome again. We are going to be starting the front end of our application today, and it's going to be a wonderful series. Um, I'm going to be allowing us to finish up the back end. I wouldn't want everybody's back end to look similar for those of us that are following me up. And so, for the few things that are left undone, making sure that the Travis is building our the back end very well. Couple of other things, extra features that you want to add. I would want you all to add it by yourself and get it fixed up uh, to show our abilities in some things. But we're going to be laying the foundation for the React front end app, showing how we can work with Redux to get things done. And that is what we're going to be doing today. And to start, we are told to create a different repo for that. So this is my GitHub page. If I click on repositories, I should be able to click on new, then type in the name of the project and create with readme. So that's what I did, and I have this teamwork front end, which we are going to clone now, and we'll start working. This is just a fresh repo that was created yesterday. I also created for Juice Search because I want to be working on Juice Search in order to enable the people in foundation class to get little graphs of how to go about doing their project for their own benefit. So I'm going to be clicking on this Teamwork front end so that I can git clone it and start work immediately. So having clicked on it, you can see that it's just having only readme. It's open. It's still very open. One branch, the master branch. So I'm going to be able to git clone it and create the develop branch and start working immediately. To git clone, I'll just click here and copy these and copy the address. So once I copy the address, I'm going to go back to my VS Code. Okay, you can see I'm already in my backend, so I'm going to make sure that I'm back to the desktop. So I'm going to cd dot dot. This is the back end of the back end. So I needed to get back to desktop. Here I can clone. So I'm in the desktop now, so I can simply give the command git clone. Then I'll put the address that I just copied and hit the enter key. So you can see that it's cloning Teamwork front end. So after the cloning, I should be able to get to work. If you have questions and concerns on all these, you can always drop them in the comment section so that I can help you to look at them. Okay, so it's already cloned. So since it's cloned, now I can simply cd into my front end. So cd into, you can see the name Teamwork front end since I'm already on the desktop. So I can simply say Teamwork front end, Teamwork front end. So that's the folder you see. So I'm now in the folder. I'm in the master branch, and I always like to reopen my the folder directory so that they will be here. So that anything I want to do, it will be easier for me to do. So I'm going to simply say file, open folder, file, open folder. So I'm going to select the folder, Teamwork front end, and I'm going to say select folder. I just want to open it up on the folder pane so that anytime I want to see it, it will be much more easier for me. Okay, so I'm going to close this and I'm going to do control backtick in order to bring it good. So this is the readme that I have, and you can see this Teamwork front end. Okay, yes, so I'm going to quickly start now. So I'm going to do my normal create React app and put the name of the app and continue. but I'm gonna be doing some little setting up, which I'll continue in the next class. Please, if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. So in the next class, we'll start from here. Thank you.